How to use Taja AI. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. Are you a content creator or a video manager? Taja AI will make your life easier by helping you to be able to optimize your video and then posting it on all the social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, LinkedIn. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can use Taja AI to optimize your video. So I will log into Taja AI and start the process. This is the dashboard of Taja AI. Here it says content calendar, backlog, boost, next video generator, automation, channel, links. And once you log in, you come here, it says optimize now, plus get automatically generated viral shots. So this is where you place your video link. So I'll go pick up a video link from a YouTube channel that I don't even use. And this was a demo for another tool that I was playing with. So I'll pick it, and as you can see here, it just have a title and description. There's nothing really here. This description have nothing to do with the software that I was playing to create video. So once I copy the URL or the link, I paste it on here and click on start. It says analyzing uploading video, analyzing channel for video. So Taja AI will be doing all this, and it doesn't take much time, probably less than 5 minutes. It will be ready. And as you can see, transcribing video, diving into video content, extracting top SEO keywords. There we are. So as you can see, master YouTube SEO with Vidly in minutes. And when you come here, Taja just created this description. These are the hashtags, and it gives you the chapters too. And these are the tags for the video. So once Taja does all this, in case you want a thumbnail for the video, you click on generate thumbnail. So it's inspecting the video now to generate your thumbnail. When you scroll down here, it says master SEO so fast, and you can click on generate thumbnails and it will generate more for you. But let's say if we want this thumbnail, all that I have to do is click on the pen icon, and I have two options, either to save or download. And you can upload too. So you can upload to the video on the channel. So once I picked, I would say save and exit. So I click on save. Then in case I want to repurpose it content to X, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, I'll click here and it says your video is being processed. So it will create shorts and clips for each social media platform. So whilst it's being processed, come back here, and all that I have to do is click on publish, and it will sync to my channel. I don't even need to copy and paste. It will go straight to the channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like the video. Thanks for watching how to use Taja AI.